Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to lock applications with Fingerprint or Face ID on HONOR X7d. First, swipe down the control center and tap on the gear icon to open Settings menu. In this menu, you have to scroll down to Security and Privacy section and open it. Now, in this section, you have to set up a device unlock screen lock. So select Screen Lock, and then you can either add a 6-digit PIN or select a different unlock method and set it up on your phone. Then tap Done when you're done, and then go to Biometrics and Password. And now you can set up either Fingerprint or Face ID, and basically it's the same for any option that you choose. Now, to set up a fingerprint, you have to select it, then enter your password. Then select New Fingerprint, tap Add, and now let me place my fingerprint onto the fingerprint scanner and add a new fingerprint to this device. So just firmly place your fingerprint onto the scanner and try using different parts of your finger for the best experience. Then tap OK when you're ready. And now, in order to lock your phone, your applications with your fingerprint, switch the toggle next to Access App Lock. Then tap Enable once again, and then you have to select a password for the app lock. So you can either go with the lock screen password that you set up recently, or the custom PIN code if you want to. I will go with the default lock screen password, so with the pattern that I just set up. Now go back to Settings on your device and search for App Lock. Select App Lock right here, then select Use Password, draw your pattern or enter your password, and now select the applications you want to protect with the app lock in this menu. Just switch the toggle next to the application you want to protect, for example Facebook, and now Facebook is locked with the app lock protection. So now when you close this application and you find Facebook on your phone and try to open it, you're gonna have to either use your fingerprint to unlock this application or use your password instead. And this it works in the very same way with the face unlock. But if you want to see how it's done, well, let's go to Settings, then Security and Privacy, then let's go to Device Unlock, Biometrics and Passwords, Face Recognition. Once again, let's draw unlock pattern, then tap Get Started, and make sure that you can clearly see your face in the frontal camera. Just in case, I recommend wiping it with the microfiber cloth or with a dry towel if you don't have a microfiber cloth, and then center your face in the camera. Wait until the setup is complete, and now switch the toggle to the right next to Access App Lock. And now let's try to unlock Facebook using face recognition scanner. So first I'm gonna have to lock my phone. Now let me unlock it, and now let's try to open Facebook. And this way you can unlock your applications using your face model. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.